Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss current affairs series, right friends? So this is the day 1 friends, right? And this is used for UPSC prelims 2021 friends, 2021, which would be going to held on June 27, right friends? June 27th of 2021. Right friends, so this MCQs is most important for all kind of competitive examinations and especially focused on UPSC friends, right? So let us begin from here. So this is the question 1 friends. So Central Vista Committee is constituted for what purpose, right? Your options here are new parliament building, new cricket stadium, and C is new tiger reserve, and option D is to include Manipuri language in 8th schedule. So what would be the correct answer? Let me know in the comment section friends. Please do pause the video and let me know in the comment section friends, right? So now here the answer for this question is option number A is the correct answer friends, that is new parliament building. The Central Vista Committee is constituted for new parliament building friends, right? It will design, it will give the suggestions for new parliament building, and option number B and option number C are wrong friends, and option number D is recently the Manipuri state has been demanding to include the Manipuri language in the 8th schedule to get the official get into the classical language friends, right? So next we see for the second question friends. So here it is the second question friends. So let me read out the question first. Central Vista Committee is chaired by option number A Central Public Work Department, option number B Department of Personnel and Training, and option number C is Department of Sports, and option number D is none of the above. So friends, here do try to attempt the question friends, be sincere to attempting the question, and from here onwards we will daily upload one MCQ series on daily basis friends. It will be starting from May friends, right? May 2022, May 2021, right? May 2022, May 2021. So friends, don't miss this kind of important series friends, right? And it is totally free of cost, right? So let me tell you the answer for the second question. The answer for this is Central Public Work Department, right friends? The Central Vista Committee is chaired by the Central Public Work Department, right? And these three options are obviously wrong because it will not dealt with that kind of things, right? Next we see about the index of industrial production. This is the third question friends. Index of industrial production is released by what kind of organization, right? So first option number A says Central Statistical Organization, and option number B says Ministry of Rural Development, option number C says Ministry of Urban Affairs, and option number D says none of the above, right friends? So what is the correct question and why it was? So please do read out friends, right? So for answer for this here is Central Statistical Organization, that is option number A is the correct answer for this. I hope you understood friends, right? And this is the most easy and important question as well friends, right? So next let me move further here. This is the next question friends. World Intellectual Property Day is celebrated on which day? Option number A is April 24, option number B is April 25, and option number C is April 26, and last option, that is option number D, is April 27. Right friends, so let me know in the comment sections what is your answers and how many questions are getting correct out of the total. So let me know in the comment section friends, right? So answer for this question is option number C is the correct answer friends, that is on April 26 we will celebrate as World Intellectual Property Day, right? And read about TRIPS friends, TRIPS, and read about WHO and read about WTO as well, right friends? Because WHO is totally in crisis right now, so do read about this topic, right? Next topic we see about it. What does the Article 54 says, right? What does the Article 54 says here? Option number A is only specifically mentions NCT of Delhi and Puducherry as eligible to be part of the president elections, right? And option number B says only specifically mentions all states and union territories, and option number C says mentions all states but not UTs, and option number D neither of them, that is none of the above friends, right? So let me know in the comment sections, friends, and do read this topic very thoroughly, friends, right? From M. Lakshmikant. Go for this book, M. Lakshmikant, and do try to complete this topic, that is on article 54, friends, right? What does the article 54 says and what are the controversies on this, because it is related to Jammu and Kashmir, friends, right? Because it is related to Jammu and Kashmir. Now let me tell you the answer for this question. The answer for this question is option number A is the correct answer, that is only specifically mentions NCT and Delhi and Puducherry as eligible to be part of the president elections, right, friends? Here only it is saying about the NCT of Delhi and Puducherry, friends, right? And here it is not talking about the all UTs, right, friends? Here it is not talking about the all UTs. For this reason, the rest of the options will go wrong, friends, right? I hope you understand this question, friends, right? So why it was in controversy? Because recently the Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly is in news. For this reason, the Article 54 was in news, friends, right? So I hope you got it. Next we see sixth question, friends. Chakhau, what is mean by Chakhau, friends, right? Chakhau, which is in news, it is from PIB, friends, Press Information Bureau, and this topic was picked from PIB, and the options are Chakhau is black rice, white rice, basmati rice, and none of the above. So for what purpose it is, and what it is a black rice, friends, right? Chakhau is a black rice. Option number A is the correct answer, and it is made in Manipuri, right? It is cultivated here itself, and some of the Assam lands as well, friends, right? Very few. And this this black rice is made in celebrations, friends, right? Whenever some sort of festivals are there, then it will be made, friends, right? It will be cooked in 40 minutes, right, friends? It will be cooked in 40 to 50 minutes average time, friends, right? So do try when you go to Manipuri, friends, right? So next we see about next question. What does bacteriophagocysis mean? Option number A says phagocytes may have antimicrobial properties and could potentially destroy bacteria such as Mycobacterium streptococcus, right, friends? Streptococcus. And option number B says phagocytes do not antimicrobial properties. Phagocytes do not have antimicrobial properties. And option number C says none of the above is correct. And option number D says phagocytes may have antimicrobial properties but could not potentially destroy the bacteria, friends, right? So which of the following is the correct answer, right, friends? So do try to read about this topic, that is bacteriophagocysis, friends, right? So let me tell you the answer here. The answer for this question is option number A is the correct answer for this, because phagocytes may have antimicrobial properties and could reduce and could potentially destroy the bacteria such as Mycobacterium streptococcus, friends, right? So it will reduce this kind of microbacterium, that is bacteria, friends, right? So I hope this, friends. So I hope you enjoyed the video, friends. Please do like, share, comment, friends, and subscribe for this YouTube channel for getting more kind of MCQs in future, friends, right? So that is it for this video, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great day.